Hello, Manager Liu. Can I introduce to us our elliptical digital machine?
Today we will focus on above us digital machine, some configurations, like we're demonstrating right now. It is a treatment liquid plus white ink and color ink. What about the machine that prints this treatment liquid in 3 orders? We're using Epson sprinklers. Epson i30-200 nozzle. Take a look at this treatment solution. It is a treatment liquid for printing with a nozzle. It goes straight up than some of the previous ones. We'll scrape with the mesh board. What are the advantages? The first one feels good. Second, it can be in you. Other places where printing treatment solution is not required. Don't use spray. You can let it print out this effect. There won't be any residue anywhere else. What about the third one? Our nozzle doesn't have to worry about it at all. You can give it a month, 2 months or more. It won't plug. That's one advantage. It has the capacity to do it. On the entire system, our added capacity. Okay. At least one production capacity of more than 300 pieces can be guaranteed for you. A separate capacity, like this machine, it can reach 380 pieces an hour. This machine can also reach 380 pieces an hour. Our ink extractor. What about this Ricoh machine? It can choose 4 colors, 6 colors and 8 colors. What about 6 and 8 colors? Its capacity can be higher. Can reach 650 pieces like this. This is the whole one machine, one layout.
Yes, you are talking about the production capacity per hour. If it is a day's production capacity, you can do about 3,000 to 6,000 pieces. The whole set of this process comes down. At least 3,000 to 6,000 pieces a day like this. And there is a need for employment.
Yeah, now we only need one person to do it. And behind us, planning and information management system. How do we operate the information management system? Your sales department is going to receive an order. Receive an order. We generate a QR code. You have the fabric and the QR code. Post on. Bring listing. Our on-site production people just scan this QR code. Put the fabric on. It can achieve a fully automated production.
Manager Liu, our equipment of Hangjinding. It is common on the market today. Other such elliptical digital machines. How is it different?
What about unique advantages? Mainly there are the following 2 points. What about the first one? Our machine guarantees your production. In the event of some accidents, we made a protection. For example, like your main source of energy, a case of death, we'll go through an electrically powered gas supply device. Go through his electric gas to make sure your negative pressure is stable. It won't let you die and the ink will run out later. This is some of our previous customers. A bigger headache. What about the second one? You are in the process of production. He lost the power. The front of the car is outside. One is ink flow. The second is to keep him dry. We are losing power. During the power outage, we're not going to have a solenoid valve that locks him. Won't let him ink. This is the first one. Second, we can move the truck manually. Put him back in the moisturizing tray. This can also be guaranteed. We're in the process of cutting off the power. It also keeps the nozzle moist at all times. During your next power on, you can go directly to start production. Now, the second advantage we have. The second advantage is that we have no money. With this ordinary white one, what kind of difference is there? Like an ordinary white color, we know its capacity is very low. You can only play up if you finish the lottery in white. You are like this. You could have called once an hour. For example, you type 120 pieces an hour. You cut it in half. Now, that is, you can type 60 pieces an hour. This white is separate from the color. Its capacity will increase dramatically. When your white is playing, color is also playing. If so, we have actually tested it on the customer side. Probably the maximum production capacity is 380 pieces an hour, and the white color comes out together. Well, we also went on a field trip. Like the white colors of the Starlight had. We tested it on the customer side. He can actually get 150 pieces. That is to say, our actual production capacity. You can double or triple that. Is that so? This is a production capacity. What about the second one? Customer headache. It's after you separate it from SI. What situation will you find? The set of white and color is more troublesome, like we do some hand printing. You'll find those little dots you typed. You are very observant. His little print are the white and color sets very neat. We did a lot of optimization on this. For example, if you go to match our color ink machine, or you can match someone else's color ink machine, we go according to the color ink machine, because the color ink machine is the most important. According to an inclination of the color ink machine, let's adjust the inclination of the white ink machine to ensure this white color. Its tilt is exactly the same. Ensure that the setting accuracy of the white color is about a trace. Wow, those are the 2 biggest advantages.
How many are we now? What about the nozzle, the production capacity you just mentioned? How is it configured?
If we talk about this capacity, guaranteed more than 300 pieces. That's 3,000 to 6,000 pieces per day. The configuration of this capacity is Epson's. This treatment liquid has 4 nozzles. Starlight's white ink is also 4 nozzles. Such a configuration.
Our current equipment. Are there any benefits for the market? Price?
Here's what it looks like now. Now we are doing a New Year's event. With the blessing of this whole package, we give one of the biggest discounts to the end point. It's the whole package. If you decide before now, $114,286 can take it home.